Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
The total number of the candidates appeared from the regular category. It was 20,618 and passed it is 19,486. So the pass percentage is 94.51%. So boys 10,813 they appeared and pass is 10,072. The result of boys it is 94.37%. And girls, this is, you can see, 9,805, 9,414 they passed. The result is 96.51%. These are about the Divyang candidates. 550 they appeared, 543 they cleared the examination, and the result is 98.73%. 417 candidates they are plus under 80 KT. And they can take the admission in 11th standard. Here it is in details. So only the condition is that they can take the admission in 11. The result will be declared. The result of 11 will be declared only when they cleared SSC examination in those one or two subjects. Dharbandada, it was only one center to accommodate the people from that schools. So out of 457, 450 they have passed this examination and the result is 98.47%. Mormugao, one center that is a Vasco, 1,629 they had appeared, 1,497 have cleared and the pass percentage is 91.90%. The candidate, they are not supposed to approach the board directly for verification, but they can approach their schools for verification of marks. And we have advised the schools to send all the applications in a one lot following the time schedule. And the portal for accepting this verification request will be open from 28th of April 2026. You can see the fee structure and the last date. To get the verified photocopy of the answer book, it is 350 per subject, which we have not changed for the past many years. Last date it is 2nd May. Re-evaluation of answer book, this last date is 11th of May. 700 rupees is the fee per subject. And verification of marks in absentia, the last date it is 2nd of May and fee it is rupees 100 per subject. From this year, we had introduced compensation scheme as against grace marks. So number of the candidate who passed due to that condition, that means the candidate has to score 10% of the marks in the academic subject. So total candidates who got the benefit of this compensation scheme is 340.